Day 2 of Vagabond Vacations Tulum. Today we have a very unique location. It's a cenote cave, as you can see behind me. It's not the easiest to shoot in because caves are maybe notorious for being quite dark, but it's very unique looking, so we're gonna try to make it work with all the artificial light that we brought. Also, we have something special planned. We have 3 UV lights and one girl who is specialized in glow-in-the-dark body painting. So we're gonna have some models body painted, put them in this UV light in a cave. I think that's gonna make for some really dope shots. And we're also gonna try some more white outfits with the girls that are not painted, just using these kind of white lights and see if we can light up nice parts of the cave as a nice backdrop. So that's kind of 2 creative shots we wanna get today. Let's get to meeting the people. Let's go. We have Pamela now. She's the body painter. She's showing the girls what she can do because the girls were very curious.
Iría un poquito más con ustedes, un poquito más.
You like it?
I like the other one better, but I agree with the lingerie. It has to be like an open lingerie, so I have this stripe here, so probably that's a better idea.
Yeah.
What's up, Alebu?
Well, Alma would be the first to get painted, and it kind of needs some time to do it.
Okay.
And then Alma can join.
Okay.
You can just start with the other, shooting with the other girls.
Outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
We moved from the little bit of a jungle shoot to the first cave shoot. We're now at the entrance of the cave, so we can still use the natural light on the girls. Juan is gonna take this group shot as the master of group shots, and I put some artificial light in the background just to create a little bit of separation, show a little bit of that cave as a nice backdrop. Let's see what the master of photography can do. We moved a little bit deeper into this hellish cave. All the lights on the girls. Juan is gonna take this shot again. I think it looks pretty good. Does this give an effect or not so much?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Alma is done.
I don't want
Looking
to get
beautiful.
a shower every
Yeah, well, as long as I don't have to be near you, you can never shower again. That's fine for me. You're gonna go join the rest now, and then
Perfect.
have another girl come up to get the
Sounds good.
same artistic treatment as you. Now I'm gonna go see what the other little group is up to. Foxy and Charlie should be up somewhere in a like jungle tower, or I'm not sure how you call that thing. Charlie!
Hi.
You seem slightly frightened.
I don't like heights. I just don't know how we do it. I'm very nervous. You can see.
I can see a little bit.
Yeah, I'm afraid as fuck.
How did the shoot go though?
Yeah, it's fantastic. I will show you some pictures down there with Paulina and Alisa. It's gonna be amazing. I don't really like here. You can see it's all broken and burned. If you put there.
Yeah, I will go up in a second. I kind of see it, I guess. So yeah, I'm at the top now, and it's probably the most sketchy location I've ever been because I'm above the jungle, so you can imagine I'm pretty high up here, and that thing is burned through completely. So I'm not an engineer. I assume that the stability of this project is slightly compromised. So yeah, any engineers watching this maybe can confirm that I shouldn't have been standing here. Charlie's back at it. Now he's shooting with Kande. She changed into a nice black bodysuit. And as far as I understood, it's again nice magazine feature for her this time. That's cool. If you shoot with Charlie, you get featured in magazines. That's always a nice thing for models. So I came from all the way up the treehouse jungle tower thing, and now I'm in a cave in the water, in an underground cave, finding Juan shooting Alma here with her new body paint body tattoo. Looks super amazing here with this water fucking grotto around her. Cool stuff. Next up they're gonna go to the UV lights to really make that body paint pop. And, but they're not done here yet. It seems they're not done here yet. It's nice to be back on the surface of this earth. We've been in the dark so long, it's starting to feel like it's nighttime, but no, it's only around 4 p.m.-ish. So we ain't done yet for today. Juan is shooting Kande here. We're now heading to another cenote nearby, which is a very large network of pathways and so on, so maybe it's not ideal for shooting. It's also again going to be very dark and we don't have electricity there, but at least for the experience of walking around and seeing this intricate network of passageways underground is going to be cool for everybody to kind of have this experience. Okay, we are officially, typical Vagabond style, breaking in somewhere to reach a nicer photo location.
We have to cover the
yeah, we're covering the more important main camera, and this little baby of mine is doing the hard work as there's a little drizzle going on right now. But soon we'll reach another cenote and then we will be dry. That's so cute. Wait, I need a story of this. That's it, I think, for this day of Vagabond vacations, except maybe a little party, no promises. We'll see how the energy goes after dinner. See you guys later.
Lanes in my way, they might have to get murked. Approach approach me with caution, might have to get hurt. I top up from the treetop, but I came up from the dirt. That shotty like a detox, hit the pump and go berserk. Yeah, I don't care, kid. You might get found in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, approach me with caution, might have to get hurt.